you see me outside, you have to put some respect in my name, okay? It's not hearsay. Back to my channel. My name is Busola Oradugba. Thank you so very much for always stopping by. Today I will be unboxing my camera in Jesus' name I claim it. Today I'll be unboxing my ring light, and I intend to show you guys everything you need to know about this 18 inches ring light I just acquired. Imagine you just bought yourself a Ferrari. How would you feel? Yeah, exactly that feeling is what I'm having right now. It's not easy to have a ring light. My package came like this. So in this bag I have my tripod stand, of course the stand for the ring light, and this is the ring light itself. Great, now let's get started. Guys, join me in the celebration, okay? Join me in the celebration, okay? LG 18 inches ring light. Guys, this ring light cost me about 24,000, including the stand. So guys, as you will be able to see in this video, my ring light came with a charger, a power pack, with a remote control and 3 phone stands. Yes, I just thought to put that out there before we continue. Let me show you how to couple the stand for the phone holder. So this right here is the last one. Unscrew this one, then add this one to it, then screw it back. Very, very simple. So all together I have my 3 phone holder. This one is what I'm going to use to connect this to this. So the reason why we need this is for us to add the stand. Without this we can't use the stand. So that is why these 3 I'm holding, 2 actually. That's why they are so very important. So yeah, this one comes inside of this one. Just screw and screw and screw and screw. house. Now let me reintroduce myself to you.
Hi everyone, my name is Busola Oradugba, the latest ringlight owner in town.
Now I need to show you guys a few things. Now come with me, come. So I think we have 3 variants, 3 colors for this one. This is the first one, second one. Guys, which one do you prefer? This one or this? This is a no for me. Or this one. I love this one so much. And this one too. Really nice, cool. Because I wanted to show you a couple of things. That is why I'm using my back camera. So here we have the power button. It's fingerprints. Just pin like this, pin like this. This one is what you use to increase. If you want to increase it, you come here. This one is to reduce. This one is to change the variance of the light or the color of the light. I think I love this ring light generally. It's actually okay. Looks durable. Yo, look at what we have here. It's actually nice. So guys, it is time to couple our phone holders together with the ring light. Very simple and straightforward. Look at me, just 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, it is that simple. Very simple. Yes, this thing is very flexible. You're free to move it around. It is very easy moving them around. So yeah. Let me not go and break it too. Our remote is working. Now I want to switch it on. I want to reduce it. 20%. I have just reduced the light. 50%, 100%. So guys, I think we have come to the end of this video. What do you guys think? Do you think I've made the right choice, or do you think I went too far? Too far. It's not too far. This is just a ring light. I understand many of you, my subscribers, you want premium content, and yes, you will start to have premium content back to back from now on. I promise you. Thank you very much for watching till this very moment, and I will see you in my next video. The next time you see me outside, you have to put some respect in my name, okay? Because this is me right here in front of my ring light. It's not hazy, okay?